Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are living a very healthy life with your family. So here is Purva and I welcome you again in my channel. So from today's video title you already know that today I'll be sharing with you all my morning routine. Many of you have requested me to share my morning exercise routine. So in today's video I'll share first my morning exercise routine and then I'll share a super healthy breakfast recipe that will be keto breakfast. Yes, my friends, in my channel I know many of you follow keto diet plans, so for you all I have shared one keto breakfast recipe. But before that, I always start my day with lemon honey water. This is my early morning drink. And now it's time to do my morning exercise routine. So after having my early morning drink, that is lemon honey water, after 10-15 minutes I always have some almonds, that 5 to 6 soaked almonds I love to eat, and then I go for my morning exercise routine. So I start my day with Surya Pranam, that is a yoga, morning yoga. And my friends, it gives me a positive energy, it gives me my mental peace, and I feel so fresh, so energetic after doing this yoga. And my friends, if you do your morning yoga regularly, it will help you to boost your metabolism and it will help you to stay calm, stay positive. It will give you a stress-free environment and you can start your day with a very fresh and positive mind. And my friends, for your digestive system, morning yoga is very, very important. So here I start my day with this yoga. Near about 1 minute I do my Surya Pranam in both the sides and then I go with my other exercises. And now here I have started doing my deep breathing exercise, which is also part of my morning routine. So every day after doing Surya Pranam, I do Onulom Bilom. This deep breathing exercise gives me so much of positive energy. It gives me so much of inner strength. My friends, weight loss is a journey. If you want to lose your weight, you have to live a very calm, very positive and very happy life. You have to feel a positive energy from your inside. You have to stay positive throughout the journey, so definitely you can achieve your weight loss goal. But yeah, whenever you are taking care of your outer body, if you have to take care of your inner peace, you have to take care of your inner soul. So my friends, it's very, very important that with your diet, with your heavy exercise routine, you always follow some yoga and some deep breathing exercise so that you can get lot of inner peace. And trust me, morning is the best time to do yoga. So whenever you start your day, just try to do some yoga for 10-15 minutes. Trust me, you will feel lot of change in your lifestyle. So please let me know in the comment section how many of you love to do your morning yoga and how many of you want to lose your weight in a very positive way. Please do comment me in the comment section. And now here I'm showing you this one. This is also very, very helpful and very useful. You will feel a lot of pressure in your core muscle area whenever you do this yoga. And my friends, this is also is a part of my everyday morning routine. And I repeat this exercise 3 times in the morning, and trust me, it helps me to lose my belly fat really, really fast. So if you are also on your weight loss journey and if you want to lose your belly fat, you should give this exercise a try, and I am sure it will really help you to lose your belly fat. And my friends, now this exercise, this is very good for your digestion and it will help you to boost your metabolism too. This exercise also will help you to regulate your hormones. So in many ways this is very helpful. So if you are on your weight loss journey, you definitely have to give it a try, and you have to include this exercise in your morning routine, just like me. And now this is very good for losing your thigh fats. I know many of my subscribers, you already told me that you are struggling with your heavy thigh fat. So for that you can do this exercise. You can do it twice or thrice in a day. Trust me, every morning and every evening I repeat this exercise, and it helps me to lose my thigh fat. And now here I'm showing you my most favorite exercise and my last exercise in my morning routine. This is very important, planking. Yes, my friends, planking is an excellent choice of stimulating your whole body. It will give you a lot of strength in your core muscle area. Eventually it will help you to burn more calories, and it will help you to burn your belly fat. Trust me, my friends, if you can do planking for 2 minutes in a day, in a morning time especially, then definitely it will help you to reach your weight loss goal. So yes, now I'm doing my
So my
2
friends,
minutes
now I'm
plank,
done with my
and this
morning
is my
exercise routine and I'm
everyday
feeling
morning
super
routine.
fresh, super
So I
positive and
hope you have
very
enjoyed
energetic.
my morning
Now I'll
exercise
straight
routine.
go to
Now
the
I'll share
washroom,
my
I'll wash my
breakfast.
face, I'll apply some moisturizer, I'll sit for a while and have a glass of water, and then I'll start making my breakfast. So my friends, this is pretty much my morning exercise routine. Many of you have requested me to share that. Many times I shared already. But yes, in the afternoon, evening time, I always go to the park. I do 30 minutes of regular walking. I do some exercise over there, and twice or thrice in a week I go for playing badminton. So this is my exercise, and I regularly do my exercise at least for 20 to 30 minutes. So now I'll straight go to the kitchen. I'll make something super delicious, super healthy. But today I'll share something in keto diet. So it will be keto special breakfast. But yes, I'm telling you, I don't follow keto diet plan. I don't discard carb from my diet. I eat normal, regular Indian ghar ka khana, 1200 calorie Indian homemade diet plan. That is my regular.
Now here I'm in my kitchen. I'll quickly make something super delicious and super nutritious breakfast. I told you that today I'll be making keto breakfast for my all keto diet lover friends. I think this recipe will be very helpful and useful for you all. So for keto diet, you already know it's a high fiber, moderate protein and very low carb diet plan. Already I have a full video on keto diet plan. So today I'll make my eggs in ghee. This is pure butter ghee. Fat content should be high in keto diet. So in this keto breakfast, I'll be using lots of ghee and also lots of cheese. 2 eggs I'm going to use, and also I'll make some kale saute. If you don't have kale in your local market, you can definitely use spinach instead of kale. But yes, green vegetable is a very good option in keto diet. So here in the non-stick pan, I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here in this pan also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'll make my kale in this, and on that pan, I'll make my eggs. As I told you, if you don't find kale, you can use any greens or cauliflower or cabbage. And now here I'm adding a little bit of salt in my eggs and in my kale, and also just a little amount of black pepper powder. And in this pan, you have seen in the ghee I have added just kale leaves, and that's it. And now I'm going to saute it well. And now here I'm going to add lots of cheese on top of my eggs. For all my cheese lover friends, I think this diet plan is just best for you all, because in this diet you can have lots of cheese. And yes, on top here I'm adding some chili flakes for some extra taste and some roasted garlic powder. And now I'm going to flip my omelette, and my keto special egg omelette is absolutely ready for a breakfast. And here in this pan you can see I already have covered the lid, and within just 2 to 3 minutes my kale leaves are well done and it's well cooked. So yes, instead of kale leaves you can use cabbage, you can use mushroom, you can use cauliflower. These are the vegetable, but yes, not every vegetable you can have in your keto diet plan, but these are the common vegetable that you can use whenever you are following keto diet plan. And now here I'm going to serve my breakfast in this lovely plate. So yes, 2 egg omelette with lots of cheese and with some ghee. And for some extra taste, you have seen I have added some chili flakes. And now on side here I'm going to add the kale leaves. Greens are always good. This is high in fiber, and my friends, it's loaded with vitamin C and also vitamin E and K. So yes, now my keto special breakfast is ready. I'm not going to add any breads into it. It's just like that. And yes, now the time is around 8:30 and this is my ideal time of having a breakfast. So this is keto special breakfast today for all my keto lover friends. I have shared this recipe, and this is absolutely high in fat, moderate in protein and very low in carb. You have seen I have not added any rice, roti, chapati or bread in my platter. So this breakfast is super healthy, super delicious. Also I have added some liquid cheese on top of the kale, so it's even more fat enriched. So yes, once or twice in a week I always enjoy this type of breakfast.
So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my super healthy morning routine, and this breakfast is so yum, and I really enjoy this type of breakfast at least twice or thrice in a week. Even though I don't follow keto diet plan fully, but still I love eggs, and so this is my favorite egg recipe. Thank you so much for watching my today's video, today's vlog. If you like my channel, if you have liked my videos in the channel, please do subscribe, be a part of my positivity and happiness family. I'll be back soon with a new video, with a new content. You know, twice in a week I upload my new videos. So every Tuesday and every Thursday I upload new videos for you all. So take care of yourself, do your regular exercise, drink plenty of water, and whatever diet plan you are following, follow it from your heart and don't lose hope. You are going to definitely reach your weight loss goal. So tata, bye bye, love you.